This video is intended to show how strip diagrams can be used to model multi-step problems. Strip diagrams are a tool used to organize the information from a problem and help form a solution strategy. Let's look at a typical multi-step problem. Chad has already saved $12. His mom said she'd give him $5 per week for helping her make the garden. He is saving his money to buy a video game that cost $47. How many weeks will it take him to have enough money for the video game? Represent the solution with an equation using a letter to represent the unknown. So for this problem, we're going to use a strip diagram. It helps us organize the information and come up with that equation that they're looking for. The strip, or the bar, represents the whole amount. So for this problem, the whole amount that we need is $47. We know that Chad already has $12, so that is a portion of this $47. And the remaining amount that's left to make $47, he's going to be earning $5 per week. So our unknown is how many weeks that it's going to take him to do it. So we're going to use W to stand for the weeks. So we know that $5 and 5, it's going to repeat it each week. We just don't know how many weeks. So if I want to write an equation, one way I could do it would be to say, I know that my total is $47. And that equals the $12 I already have plus 5 times some number of weeks that I don't know yet. So that's one equation that I could write to help me solve this. So for this strip diagram, we wrote this equation, but there are other possible equations that could have been written using the same strip diagram. So these are some ways to show that even though our strip diagram may look the same, we may think about it in different ways. Another way to show 5 times W is to write it 5W. So in this equation, another way your child might see this equation written would be 12 plus 5W is equal to 47. It is the same equation, just written a little differently, but this still means 5 times W. Strip diagrams help students organize the information in the problem in a way that helps them see a solution by understanding the role of the numbers in the equation. It will prepare them for understanding the algebraic concepts of variable in later grades.